Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I'm testing out my new toy here today, the Big Easy oilless propane fryer. As you can see, I'm rubbing butter here on the outside. My wife has already injected with some Cajun seasoning that we got from HEB. I would melt this butter, but she's in the kitchen cooking, so we don't have any space. So she kicked me outside to do my turkey. You see, I'm just rubbing this butter on here because I'm gonna sprinkle some of my Tony's on the outside to get it to stick. And since I'm not using any oil, I can put this Tony season on the outside and it won't come off. So if I was deep frying this in some peanut oil or something, I wouldn't be putting any dry rub on the outside. So this is a big turkey. It's 22 pounds, and this thing says the maximum turkey size is 16 pounds to use, the maximum. But I'm gonna see if I can stuff this 22 pounder in there. And as you can see, it fits in there, but I had to move the wing over and kind of maneuver it around to get it to go in, but it did fit in there fairly neat. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my propane, and I'm gonna turn that all the way on. Then I'm gonna go to my Big Easy and I'm gonna turn the gas on, and I'm gonna hit my igniter, and it fired up the first time. Man, this thing's working great so far. So like I said, we're gonna cook it 10 minutes per pound. That's 22 pounds. So I'm gonna go 3.5 hours. So I'm gonna just put a timer here on my phone, and I'm gonna hit my start and come back 3.5 hours later. And the good thing about this thing, you don't have to worry about it. You know, I check on it once in a while, make sure my gas hadn't run out, but I got a full tank of gas. So I'm okay. I probably could cook 5 or 6 turkeys with this one tank of gas. So 3.5 hours later, I'm coming back. So I'm gonna check my internal temperature, which I want it to be about 165 at the minimum. For doing turkey and chicken, you want your internal temperature 165 degrees Fahrenheit plus. As you can see, this, man, is crispy, and a lot of juice came out of this thing. When I emptied that tray at the bottom, it had a full tray of juice. A lot of it probably comes from that injection that we use to inject this turkey with. So we're gonna take my thermometer and we're gonna put it in here. And once it gets to 165, it'll start beeping. So it's all good. So this is our Thanksgiving dinner. We got some greens, beans, candy yams, some broccoli rice and cheese, some dressing. We got some turkey, ham, and me and my wife and my kids, they helped out a little bit, but my wife did most of the work. But this is what the dinner looks like here on Thanksgiving. And like I said, you guys have a great Thanksgiving. And it's good to be alive with all of this stuff going on. So we're gonna slice into this turkey a little bit and see what it looks like. And it is really juicy, and I need a better knife. I need to invest in some knives. As you can see, the juice is in there. And this turkey was good. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you, and have a great day.